Dragonflies are insects that have existed since the time of the dinosaurs. They have two pairs of wings that can move independently, allowing them to fly with incredible agility forward, backward, and even hover like a helicopter. Their large eyes give them nearly 360-degree vision, making them excellent hunters of mosquitoes and other small insects. Dragonflies also have a unique life cycle, starting as eggs in water, turning into aquatic larvae nymphs, and finally transforming into adult dragonflies that live on land. Although small, dragonflies play an important role in the ecosystem and are beneficial to humans by helping reduce mosquito populations.